Have you ever noticed your dog licking or chewing one or both of her paws, maybe even gnawing on his toes or toenails? All dogs do it, but sometimes it'll become obvious that your dog does it a little too much, like Vincent sometimes does. Hi, I'm Dr. Patty Khuly. I'm a veterinarian and pet expert at vetstreet.com, and I'm here today to answer a question I get asked on a regular basis. Why does my dog lick and chew at his feet? Foot licking and chewing is a really common behavior you should always ask your veterinarian about, especially if it comes on suddenly, persists for long periods of time, or is accompanied by redness, swelling, odor, bleeding, limping, or other possible signs of pain or infection. Dogs might lick and chew their feet for lots of reasons, so it's important to know if it's a behavior they've always done or if it's something they just started doing. Most dogs who lick and chew their feet are just being fastidious dogs, but when they lick or chew their feet a whole lot, like Vincent usually does, that's a different story. There are many reasons your dog may suddenly start to lick or chew his feet. For example, puncture wounds or burns on his toes or his pads, fractures of his claws or toes, foreign bodies, for example, ticks, grassons, glass, or burrs. And then an interesting one, corns, which are not common in all dogs, but greyhounds can get these, and they can be very painful. But if it's something more persistent, you might want to think about more serious things like cancers and even autoimmune diseases. But honestly, the most common of all chronic offenders, and what Vincent suffers, is allergic skin disease. Allergic skin disease is almost always why dogs lick and chew at their feet on a constant basis. It's because they're itchy and something in the environment, like foods, dust, grasses, trees, mold, insects, and lots of other stuff, are stimulating their immune system to overreact. Some dogs will even continue to do it because they're bored or feeling stressed, and that's not unusual either. Regardless of the cause, if you notice that your dog is licking or chewing his paws, always seek veterinary advice, especially since most of these cases are highly treatable, just like Vincent's. I'm Dr. Patty Khuly, and I hope you've learned that dogs who lick their paws should not be ignored.